Working in timber construction and received a SEMA file for a building project? This is the native format of Sema4D, a specialized CAD system for carpentry and prefabricated construction. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and work with these Sema4D building model files. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for SEMA files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. A user with a SEMA file is typically an architect, engineer, or carpenter involved in timber construction projects. They need to open the file to view, edit, or analyze detailed 3D models of buildings, roof structures, or wall framing created with the specialized SEMA CAD software. The SEMA file is a proprietary binary container designed to store a complete construction project. It encapsulates 3D model geometry, material properties, component lists, and architectural plans. This integrated binary approach ensures data integrity and high performance when handling complex, multi-part building assemblies. The best utility for reliable viewing of SEMA is known to be Sema4D by SEMA software. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows may preview only a static image, so full model analysis requires 3D viewing tools. The fastest method is to exhaust all compatible openers, right-click the SEMA file and hit Open With. Use Sema4D if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the handler. If you still can't open the SEMA file, it's okay. Now, it boils down to just 3 possibilities. We've prepared a simple list detailing these common culprits and the steps to verify them. First, opening in Sema4D. Install Sema4D from SEMA GmbH and use File then Open to load the SEMA file. The application displays the complete building model in 3D with all structural components, materials, and joinery details intact. The full Sema4D environment is required to access editing functions, parametric modifications, and manufacturing output preparation. Next, viewing with SEMA Viewer. Download the free SEMA Viewer from the SEMA GmbH website, which displays SEMA files in read-only mode. The viewer shows the 3D model with rotation zoom and section views, allowing project review without a full Sema4D license. Useful for clients and contractors who need to inspect designs without modification capability. Finally, exporting for exchange. Within Sema4D, export the building model to IFC, DWG, or DXF formats for exchange with other building software. IFC export preserves structural relationships for use in Revit, ArchiCAD, or other BIM platforms. DWG and DXF provide 2D drawings or 3D wireframes compatible with AutoCAD and standard CAD tools throughout the construction industry. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.